Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can set an alarm on your iPhone 15 Pro. And for that we need to go to our clock, and now we have the world clock here, alarms, stopwatch and timers. We want to go to alarms and then click on the plus here, and now we can set a time where we want our alarm to go off. So let's say you want to be waked up by it, so we say at 7 in the morning, and then you can say when you want to repeat it every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And now you can also say what this alarm is for, just alarm general or I don't know, work or whatever. Then you can choose your sound of the alarm, and then you can say if you want the snooze button there or not, if you want to be able to press snooze or not. Then you can say save, and now we have our alarm here, and now we can go ahead and add as many as we like. Maybe you need a lot more alarms to wake up in the morning, or you only need one. So that's just really quick and easy how you can set an alarm on your iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.